Hi friends, welcome to my channel Famous Dishes. Today's recipe is a Moghlai dish called as chicken Changezi. Let's check out the ingredients. 1 kg of chicken washed and drained, 15 to 20 badam peeled, 1 tablespoon of coriander which is optional, oil for cooking, half cup of full cream milk, 4 onions sliced, 4 to 5 tomatoes pureed, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 chilies chopped, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, some coriander chopped, salt as per taste, 250 grams of curd, 1 spoon of Kashmiri mirch, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of pepper, 1/4 tablespoon of cumin and some chaat masala. Let's start with the recipe now. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoon of curd, 1 lemon juice. Add all the dried masalas, half portion, half we can keep it for the gravy. Salt as per taste. Mix this well. Now let's rest this for like half an hour. Take a bottom pan, add some oil and fry the sliced onions. We need to fry this until golden brown. Now it's done and you can take it off the flame. We would need this to make a paste, but we'll do this later. In the same oil, you can add the marinated chicken. And fry this for like 5 minutes. This is done and we can keep this aside for now. Now take another pan. We'll start with the gravy. Take some oil. Add ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Just add the chopped chilies. Fry this well. Now add the tomato puree. Now add salt as per taste. Ensure you fry it very well. The tomato puree is completely done. Add the rest of the masalas. Fry it nicely. Now in the fried onions, add the peeled badam and make a fine paste of it. Let's make a fine paste of this. The paste is ready and we can add the paste into the tomato masala. Mix it nicely. A nice rich gravy is formed. Add the remaining curd. The full cream milk. And mix it very well. Once it starts boiling and the oil separates, you can add the fried chicken to the gravy. The chicken was half cooked, so ensure that you cook the chicken for like 10 minutes more in the gravy. The gravy is almost ready. Just close this for like 10 minutes. 10 minutes are done. Let's check it out. It's almost done. Now crush the kasuri methi before adding it. This gives a very nice aroma to the gravy. Chopped coriander leaves. Chicken Changezi is ready. You can serve this with ghee rice or hot rotis. I hope you all liked my recipe. Please do subscribe to my channel and thank you so much for watching.